Philadelphia Orchids Garden USA. I'm making a hanging basket for my orchids. This orchid is growing, this is Phalaenopsis orchids, and it's growing in a sphagnum moss with this big plastic jar that I made holes in there. So it's a DIY hanging basket for my orchids. So since I cannot put any hanging, that plastic thing with the hook, I cannot put it anywhere in here. So I'm just gonna make my own by using this garden wire that I usually use for all my gardening. So what I'll do is I'll just make a hanging basket for this orchids, and I'm gonna show you how I do it, because I'm gonna start hanging all my orchids outside, and it needs to be done pretty soon because it's getting warmer inside. So what I will do is see these holes right here. So I'm gonna select this one, and I have this, and then I have this one right here, right there, and then make a knot to secure the basket so it doesn't drop. And then I'm gonna feed it through the other hole. So I want to make sure that I have enough wire to, I'm gonna push it through from inside to outside. I know it's harder to do this, but it has to be done, you know. All right, so there it is. So I pushed it through, and then I'm gonna pull it and keep pulling it until I have enough rope. I have enough tie on top here. Then I'm gonna double it to this one, and then I'm gonna push it back to the other holes right here where the original holes. So I'm gonna push it through in here again, and there it is. So I have now two. So it's easy to connect their wire. It just it's a wire coated with plastic, so they're easy to connect if I need to add some more. So I'm gonna go ahead and add it right here at the end, but twisting it. So I just twist it to secure it, and then wrap it on one of the wire. So there it is right here. So now I have two. Just want to make sure that they're balanced, you know, I mean they're even. I don't want it uneven because it's not going to be good. So there it is. So I'm going to push it through this other one here, this other hole. I know you can't see it, but it's just pushing through the wire through the hole here. And there it is. I may have to keep adding until my basket is strong enough. See right here? So I'm gonna keep adding more wire, that way my basket is strong enough and it doesn't break. I'm gonna double this wire here, push it again on this side. I may have to add some more wire in there because it's just not enough. So there it is. So I'm gonna add some more because I need to double this, and I need to double this. So I'm gonna add some more wire in there, and I'm gonna show you how I finalize it. It's really easy to do. I've done it many times. So this one will last for all summer long. So there it is. So I am going to double this one that is not strong enough. Make sure each holes are doubled. So I'm just gonna keep pulling it until I reach the right length. So I'm gonna make sure that's all even. I'm gonna hook it right there and feed it through one more time on this one here. I need to double it. So I'm gonna go from inside to outside here. It's getting harder and harder to do it now, but it's getting there. It's almost done. It's harder to feed it through from inside to outside because it's so much roots in there. So there you go. So I now need to rearrange, make sure. So there it is. So I got it all done, and it's ready to be hang outside. See? Now it's ready to be hang outside. And I'm just gonna wrap the end of it up here on top. That keeps all the wire together. And this will last for at least all summer long, at least. If not, you know, I'm gonna replace it. Otherwise, it should last for a while. So there we go. So now I'm ready to hang this one. So that's pretty cool. my DIY hanging basket for my Phalaenopsis orchids. So here it is, my DIY hanging basket for my Phalaenopsis orchid. It looks really amazing, and it's hanging under the tree. So I have many more to do because I need to start hanging all my orchids outside this summer.